What's going on, people? If you're wondering where I'm at, yeah, check this out. Look at the flood behind me. Look at the bins. Right there. See these bins? Hold on, where is it? Right there, right there, right there. There we go. See how deep it is? It's crazy, isn't it? Gets flooded around there easily, man. Easily. Look, check it out. Absolutely crazy, man. Crazy. Look. All the way over there. The floods are. Look how this water's coming out. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look. Obviously, you drive here. You drive through that way, innit? So obviously, you drive with the car right here. And it's proper mad.